stickers, lanyards. Ho, 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 ho. Hi guys, I'm G from Vape Hound, and today we have stickers and lanyards and things like that and all that. Boom! That's what we have today. Wotofo Wotofo nexPOD. This pro pod-based disposables. Ooh, that's what we have. Those are one of those tiny little thingies, and you can charge and use with pre-filled pods. And people like, because people don't want to use liquid, so better than disposables. So let's have a look. User friendly, cost effective, environmental friendly, blah 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 blah. I'm not going to do a close-up, so I show you from here. That's the two devices and the liquids and everything. Look at that. Stick device and another one of those boxy ones. Look at that, how cool they are. Rechargeable, airflow control. That one is rechargeable without the airflow control. And 10 different flavors: strawberry lush, tropical ice, pina colada, strawberry mango, watermelon ice, forest berries, purple ras ice, and grapple apple, monster ice, and mango and yogurt ice. Look at that, how cool they are. So basically one of those really simples. You just need to take the pot. Let's try which ones. I don't know which one to try. Let's try mango and yogurt ice. Look at that. Look at those pots. Massive. They are that amount of liquid. Yes, those milliliters. That's the milliliters and they are. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a 5.5, maybe something like that. But yeah, whatever I set in there, that's what it is. And those liquids are 50 milligrams of nicotine. Obviously in the TPD area is going to be 2 milliliters and up to 20 milligrams, so a bit different, but outside crazy. Let's try it. So you take the silicone top, it comes with a sticker. There you go. Just put it in. There it goes. Easy. Then you have your airflow control, your USB. The battery capacity is that. Exactly that. Ooh. Mango and yogurt ice is really good. You can feel the nicotine. I'm not used to that much, but it's a nice airflow. Let's close it in the middle, close half. Yeah, nice. Really good flavor. And the stick version, let's put it in. That one have a really nice drag. Have a tiny light underneath. It's white. I don't know if he changed the color or not. If he changed the color, I will say there. Yes, exactly. That's it. I know everything about that stuff. Really good flavor. Seriously, really good flavor. Well done, Wotofo. Really nice flavor. Mesh coil, nex, and technology. Something from Wotofo. If you can read, I don't know. There is it. Come on. There you go. And it's really simple. nexPOD stick. Your pods. Simplicity. Just put it in. You have no position. USB. Have no position. Doesn't matter where you put it. When it's touching, it's touching. And it works. And yeah, really good flavor. Really well done, Wotofo. Really nice mango and yogurt ice. Mango and yogurt ice. I like it. Yep. Really good. I like that one. I like that one. That one is really good. But on 50 milligrams, it's too much. It's too much airflow. But that one, have like the perfect airflow. Perfect airflow. 50, good airflow, really good flavor. I am from TPD area, so in TPD area we're not used to those stuff, and the ones that I tried before was too rough, too strong, too no, not good, no bueno. But that one, obviously 50, so you feel it, but it's not rough. I'm even talking and vaping, and it's no it's not bad for my throat, so I like it. I like it. Let's try another different flavor. Let's try another different flavor. Which one? Ooh, strawberry lush. Strawberry lush. There you go. Strawberry lush. Where is it? There you go. There you go. Look at that. Strawberry lush. The pods are massive, man. Massive. I like it. So let's take the sticker out. Check the sticker on the back, on the bottom. Let's take the silicone, put it in. Whoa. Oof. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Lightweight. Whoa. Really strong flavor. I like it. I like it. I forget the lamp again. Like it. Really good. So in TPD area it's going to be 2 milliliters up to 20 milligrams. Outside that many milliliters, 50 milligrams. Crazy. But seriously, flavor is really good. Really good. The drag is perfect. It's really nice drag. It's a type C. Simple, slick. It's big, but the battery also is big, so I like it. What can I say? I like it. Well done, Wotofo. Long time without seeing you. I hope you're still doing good stuff like that. Look at that. Going to try to find some pictures of the pots. Put it there. Look at that. Ooh, nice. And yeah, they're really cool. Really cool. Hybrid pod system. Like it. Like it. What can I say? I was thinking that I'm going to say see ya. No, I didn't say see ya. I have nothing else to say. Well, God. I like it. I have nothing else to say, so see ya! Yeah, my battery on the camera ran out again, so God, it's strong.